Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to export Adobe XD prototypes. We'll cover the essential steps to prepare your designs for sharing and development. You'll learn how to choose the right format for your needs, whether it's for a client presentation or developer handoff. This process ensures your interactive designs are accessible and ready for the next stage. We'll explore options that make your workflow more efficient and collaborative. To export for the web, navigate to File, then Export, and select all artboards or selected artboards. Choose the HTML format from the drop-down menu. This generates a folder containing your prototype's interactive elements, images, and CSS files. You can then upload this folder to a web server, allowing anyone with the link to experience your design as intended. It's a fantastic way to showcase interactivity. For static presentations or documentation, exporting as a PDF is an excellent choice. Go to File, Export, and select all artboards or selected artboards, then choose PDF. This creates a single document with each artboard as a page. Alternatively, you can export individual artboards as high-quality images like PNG, JPG, or SVG. These image formats are perfect for quick sharing, social media posts, or incorporating into other documents. When handing off designs to developers, exporting individual assets is crucial. In Adobe XD, you can mark specific elements, such as icons, images, or logos for export. Simply select an object and click the Mark for Export checkbox in the Properties Inspector. Then, go to File, Export, and choose Selected or All Assets. You can select formats like SVG for scalable graphics or PNG for raster images, ensuring developers have exactly what they need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.